Managed service providers are under more pressure than ever. Your clients expect faster response times, proactive support, and deeper insights, all while you're juggling tighter resources and growing complexity. The question is no longer if you can deliver more value. It's how you do it without adding more work. That's where a game-changing partnership comes in. Lansweeper and ConnectWise have joined forces to help you unlock the power of automated asset intelligence right inside your PSA. It's designed from the ground up to save you time, eliminate blind spots, and give you full visibility into every client environment, all within the ConnectWise PSA platform you already use. Here's how it works. With the integration enabled, Lansweeper automatically syncs rich asset data directly into PSA, transforming it into actionable configurations. The setup is simple. Enter your credentials once, schedule the sync, and Lansweeper takes care of the rest. In just moments, hundreds of assets flow seamlessly from Lansweeper into ConnectWise. No manual work required. The impact is immediate. Your service tickets are now enriched with full device context, so your technicians can resolve issues faster and with confidence. Potential risks are identified before they ever affect your users. Billing becomes precise and asset-based, eliminating revenue leakage and ensuring nothing slips through the cracks. And client onboarding? It drops from days to just a few hours. The result is a managed services operation that's more efficient, more profitable, and more transparent. You deliver higher service quality, build stronger trust with clients, and gain the visibility you need to scale without friction. Lansweeper and ConnectWise PSA, together we're helping MSPs eliminate blind spots, boost margins, and future-proof their services. Visit lansweeper.com or connectwise.com to learn more.